Hello, I am capital letter S.
Hi, letter S. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am small letter S.
Hi, small letter S. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am the slinky and sassy letter S. That's who I am.
S, S, S. Let's say S. We are the slinky S's. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. S, S, S. Let's clap our hands to letter S.
S, S, S. Let's clap our hands to letter S.
Who are you? Where do you live?
I am Slinky, the sly, sassy, scary snake. I am sneaky. I live in the Sahara Desert.
I am Slinky. I am Slinky. I am Slinky.
What are these?
These are sunflowers.
What are these?
These are swans.
What are these?
These are snakes.
What are these?
A spider and snail. Let's say together. A spider and snail.
What are these?
These are strawberries, and that is squirrel.
What are these?
A snail and a starfish on the sand. S is for swan, so white and graceful. S is for snake, slinky, but peaceful. S is for squirrel, quick and smart. S is for sunflower, shining bright. S is for strawberry, juicy and red. S is for spider spinning a web. S is for snail, moving slow ahead. S is a letter. See it shine like a starfish in the sun. S is for snow, soft like dough.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter S today, snow, snake, and star. Hooray!
See you next time.
Don't be late for letter W.
It will be great.